In the 1980s, scientists in Finland launched a long-term study on heart health. They tracked over 2,000 men for 20 years, analyzing diet, lifestyle, and fitness. Unexpectedly, one surprising habit stood out: frequent sauna bathing. Sauna tradition. For the Finnish participants, this wasn't shocking. Sauna use is a 9,000-year-old tradition in Finland, and many cultures worldwide, from Roman baths to Japanese onsens and Native American sweat lodges, have long considered heat exposure therapeutic. Entering the sauna. So what happens to your body when you step inside a sauna? Traditional Finnish saunas reach up to 90 degrees Celsius with about 20% humidity. This triggers your body's thermoregulatory response. Blood vessels widen, your heart rate rises, and your skin heats to around 41 degrees Celsius, forcing sweat to cool you down. Sauna versus exercise. This process closely mimics moderate exercise. While a sauna can't replace physical activity, regular heat exposure may strengthen the heart and complement recovery after workouts. Inflammation and recovery. After intense exercise, muscles tear slightly, and inflammation follows. Too much inflammation can slow recovery. Sauna use may help by boosting blood flow, bringing in repair cells and flushing out waste, leading to faster healing. Aging and inflammation. As we age, chronic inflammation builds up, raising the risk of disease. Early evidence suggests that regular sauna sessions may help regulate this inflammation, supporting long-term health. Heat shock proteins. Heat also activates heat shock proteins, which protect cells by repairing damaged DNA and keeping enzymes functioning properly. Frequent sauna users often have higher levels of these protective proteins. The Finnish findings. In the Finnish study, men who used saunas 4 to 7 times per week showed lower blood pressure, healthier cholesterol levels, a reduced risk of early death. The caveats. But there are limits. The study only included Finnish men, so results may not apply to everyone. And saunas can be risky for pregnant individuals or those with certain health conditions. While science is still uncovering all the answers, one thing is clear. Regular sauna use shows powerful potential for heart health, recovery, and cellular protection. Stay curious. Your body has more secrets waiting to be explored.